In this video, you will learn how to become a drone pilot in Massachusetts. We will provide you with all the information you need to know about how to get a Massachusetts drone pilot license. Be sure to watch until the end to make sure you learn every step of the process and to learn how to gain access to everything mentioned in the video. Step 1. Meet the Massachusetts drone pilot eligibility requirements. To become a drone pilot in Massachusetts, you must first familiarize yourself with the regulations established by the Federal Aviation Administration. Be at least 16 years old. Be able to read, write, and speak English. Be in good physical and mental condition to safely operate a drone. Step 2. Prepare for the Part 107 knowledge test. The next step to become a drone pilot in Massachusetts is to enroll in a drone pilot training course. This will help you to prepare for the FAA Part 107 knowledge test. There are a variety of courses available, and we have put a link to the best Massachusetts drone pilot training course in the description below this video. Step 3. Get your FAA tracking number called an FTN. Your next step to become a drone pilot in Massachusetts is that you will need to get your FTN, which is a tracking number issued by the FAA. Simply register on the FAA Integrated Airman Certification and Rating Application website, and once registered, you will receive the FTN. Step 4. Schedule the Part 107 exam. Once you have completed the drone pilot training course and received your FTN, your next step to get a Massachusetts drone pilot license is that you will need to make an appointment to take the FAA Part 107 exam. You can do this on the PSI website, where you will create an account and schedule the exam. We have placed a link to this in the description below this video. Step 5. Pass the FAA. Part 107 knowledge test. Once you've scheduled your exam, you must pass the initial aeronautical knowledge test. This is commonly referred to as the Part 107 knowledge test. You need a score of 70% to pass. Step 6. Pass a TSA background check. To obtain your Massachusetts drone license, you must pass a background check conducted by the Transportation Security Administration. Through the website of the FAA, you can proceed with the background check. There's a fee for the background check. Step 7. Apply for your Massachusetts drone pilot license. You can submit an application for your Massachusetts drone pilot license after passing the TSA background check and the Part 107 knowledge test. You can do this by visiting the FAA's Integrated Airman Certification and Rating Application website and submitting Form 8710-13 online. When you apply, you must include the results of both your TSA background check and your Part 107 knowledge test. You can find a link to this in the description below this video. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation email. After you submit your application, you will need to wait for an email confirmation from the FAA. Be sure you have your background check done, or you will not receive this confirmation email. The confirmation email will contain instructions on how to print your temporary Massachusetts drone pilot license. Step 9. Receive your Massachusetts drone pilot license. Once the FAA has fully processed your application, you'll receive your Massachusetts drone pilot license in the mail. That's it. You have now completed all the steps to become a drone pilot in Massachusetts. Please look below this video to see the best training course you should take along with other information to help you on your journey to be a licensed drone pilot in Massachusetts.